Welcome to St David's College. I'm Assistant Principal for many things, one of which is international students. To give you an overview of the college, St David's is a pre-university institution which educates over 1,700 students in one campus in central Cardiff. We offer over 50 courses at A level which provide students with progression to university. We are large enough to offer a broad range of courses, but small enough to offer personal care and guidance. Academically, we're a very successful college. Last year, 98% of our students achieved a pass at A level, with 37% gaining a grade A. St David's prides itself in high quality pastoral care. Our personal tutor support involves 5 hours of support to each student weekly. The personal tutor provides one-to-one guidance on applying to university and provides support for writing personal statements.
The size class is really helpful because it's not as large as in secondary school, so you get more attention from the teachers.
I think one of the advantages is that the teachers give really good feedback when you're in the lesson on how to improve and what we've done really well on, so that's really good for student progress.
In the second year they help a lot with the UCAS funds and how to actually get into university, but the tutor's very helpful in helping you decide what you want to do at university and even after.
It's nice not having any small children because the teacher's time is focused on higher studies, which means we get more resources.
I feel glad to study here because you can prepare the foundation knowledge required for the university, and you can receive many help from your teachers.
In my opinion, it has been nice to meet new people. They treat you like an adult, and it is a nice environment to study because everybody is working towards the same goal.
The college has a very proud tradition of sending students to the top British universities. Overall, 450 students progress to university annually. Typically, around 30% of our students will progress to Oxford, Cambridge and the top Russell Group universities in the UK. We are a college which primarily serves the local community, but we also open our doors to international students. We have a broad ethnic range within the college, with a significant number of learners coming from China. Our international students receive English language support for each of their courses.
St David is a perfect choice for me because it is both multicultural and has a strong faith background.
The students are made of different races and they all have different faiths.
Diversity-wise, there's a broad spectrum of people from all over the world, from like Asia to America.
No one's really segregated in the college, everyone does mix with everyone else, and so in lesson times the teachers do group works with everyone and everyone is involved, no one's being left out, and because the college gives a really good friendly atmosphere, no one feels that they're segregated in the college.
To come to St David's, it's just reinforcing the basic principles we've had since we were brought up, to respect everyone no matter where they come from because everyone's equal.
Cardiff as a whole is a really quiet and small area, and it's not as expensive as other big cities like London, so I think that is a really key factor to when applying for unis.
The college annually sends over 400 students to university, and learners on the course have access to the best advice and guidance to enable them to gain access to the top British universities.